Hello teachers and welcome to the part 4 of our video tutorial in the model application. In this part, we will learn on how to create questions in the embedded close questions. Okay, in this part, if the teachers want to create their questions in only one page, so this is very important a type of resources for you, the embedded close questions. Okay, so let's get started. Again, click the activity and then choose the quiz. The name, for example, embedded close questions. And the description is, in this activity, teachers learn how to create blah blah blah. Okay. Okay, the timing, the grade, etc. Save and display. So edit quiz. Okay, now add a new question, then click the embedded answers, the close, and add. Okay, so the name here is, for example, different question. Okay, so you will it is not now necessary to put question name like one, because we will create these questions in only one page. Okay, so for example, the type of your question is all about polygon, so you'll write polygon. Okay, so here is different types of embedded close questions. Okay, so for example, I have created now the text that I want, or the questions that I want to embed. So these are now my questions. So just need to resize this one. Okay, for example, these questions here. Okay, so this is my question. For example, this is polygons. Okay, example. Now, these are the three questions that I want to embed and write in a single page. Okay, so I want to do is copy this one. You can copy this part until here, then paste it here. Okay, paste that one. Okay, so this is in the middle. For example, part 1 is reading test, and then instruction, choose the best answer. So it's a multiple choice question. So now delete this number 1 here, and then afterwards you have to encode the code. Okay, the important codes. So these are now the codes in embedded close question. Send the code. Okay, just wait a second. Where's the code here? Code. Oh, here we go. These are now the codes. Okay. So for the multiple choice question, this is a drop-down menus in line in the text. Okay. This is MCV vertical column, MCH horizontal row of radio columns, and MCS is the drop-down menu in the line in the text. So since we are dealing with the multiple choice type question, so we will create MCH. Okay, MCH, horizontal row of radio buttons, or if you want vertical column, it's okay. Okay, so let's try MCH. So go back here, and then okay, so the brace then number one, then colon, then type MCH. Okay, what does it mean by this one? It means that this is a multiple choice in a horizontal row. Okay, then click this one, colon. Okay, so after that one is your answer. Okay, how many sides is the quadrilateral? So for example, your questions here, just wait a minute. Okay, this one. 4 sides, 5 sides, 6 sides, and 7 sides. So this is 4 sides, space, and then tilde. Meaning to say that you have another choices. Okay, then 5 sides, tilde, and then 6 sides, tilde, and then 7 sides. Okay, so these are now your 4 multiple choices. Now, how can we do if which of the following is the correct answer? So what you do is type 2%. Between that is write 100. That means that this 4 sides is the correct answer. Okay, this one is 0. This one is 0. And this one is 0. Okay, so we have 1 as the number 1. MCH, this is a vertical type, multiple question type. Then this code here, this means that this 4 sides is the correct answer. 0 means this is not the correct answer, this is not the correct answer, and this is not the correct answer. Okay, so let's see. Okay, let's see the changes. Okay, so this is now. Okay, so topic, polygons in the middle. Then part 1, the reading test, 10 points. Instructions, choose the best answer. So how many sides is the quadrilateral? So 4 sides, 5 sides, 6 sides, and 7 sides. Okay. Now, okay, since it's very tiring to code, input those codes in and write it in your questions. So what you're gonna do is to code it from your Word document so that less the efforts. Okay, so I have already coded this in my Word document. For example, number 2, this is my question. You can copy this one. Just wait a minute, okay? Okay, you can copy this one. What do you call a 5-sided polygon? What happened to this? Wait a minute. Okay, what do you call a 5-sided polygon? Copy. And then this is your second question. Then paste. Okay. And then this one. Number 2. So make sure that these choices are from the choices that you made. Copy and then paste. It takes a while, but patience again is a virtue. So number 3, copy this. Do not copy the number anymore. Okay, so again, and then space. So number 3, copy and then paste. Okay, so I have 3 questions. So these are now my codes. Okay, so since MCH, I put H, I put H. Okay, so these are my questions. Make sure that it has space after the question. So let's see. Okay, let's try if it's correct. So again, bigger. So we have, so my answer is pentagon. Here my answer is heptagon. Okay, so save changes. Okay, I confirmed. So okay, let's try to preview. Oh, here we go. So how many sides is a quadrilateral? This is a question, this is a question, and this is your question. Okay, so in this case, the questions is only in the one page. Okay, now what if my choices is in line with the text? For example, okay, for example, you want to write blank, blank, blank is the five-sided polygon, for example, like that. So you want to put the choices here in the blank. So again, look for the codes here, and then I can see this MCV, the vertical column in of radio buttons. So you can choose between MC, drop down menus in line in the text, or MCS, drop down menu in line in the text, choices shuffled. Okay, let's try this MC. Okay, for example, again, MC. Now go back to the Google Chrome. So this is MC. Sorry, this is number 4. MC, no spaces. Then the five-sided, that is pentagon. Pentagon. Then we have here LD, sorry. Then hexagon. LD, heptagon. And LD is nonagon. So this is, nonagon is not the correct answer, so I will write this is 0. So I just copy it so that it takes less efforts. 0 and 0. So this is 100%. Okay, so let's try and look. I confirm. Let's see. Okay, let's look here. So here is now the questions in line with the text. So blank is the five-sided polygon. So pentagon, hexagon, heptagon, or nonagon. Okay. Okay. Next is, I will add here a short answer. So for example, short answer, edit. So for example here, so no choices but short answer. So short answer, for example, blank is a four-sided polygon. Or you can add a picture if you want. For example, the picture below is a blank sided polygon. So you will insert a picture, for example here, and then browse, choose file, and then heptagon. Heptagon has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 sides. Upload, then resize again, then 70 by 70, then middle, save. Okay, blank, the picture below is a blank sided polygon. So you want only to write the answer from the students. Okay, so this is now the code. The code is the short answer. So case is unimportant, or case must watch. Since it is number, so just write SA. SA. So go back there, and then again the same. This is number 5. SA. Okay. Then equal sign, it means that is the correct answer. 4. Okay. 4. So again, save changes. I confirm. Save. Okay, let's try to look. Okay. So the picture below is a, okay, students write that one, 4-sided polygon. Okay. You can also put in this embedded question your audio clips that has 10 questions already, and you can write that one here. You can use that short answer question, okay, if you want, or a multiple choice embedded close questions. Okay, so that is our embedded close, different embedded close questions. Okay, what if I insert a passage, for example, for the English teachers? So again, add question here, new question, then click again the embedded answers. So add, and question name is passage. Okay. So passage. So this question is from teacher Jerry's worksheet. I just borrow it. Okay, just wait a minute. The passage is looks like this. So this is his passage question. Okay. So now, assuming that this reading test is part 1. So I will copy this one, and then until here. Control copy, and then paste. Okay, so this is the question. Just wait a minute. Wait, it's personalities. Then alignment, no alignment here. Okay, this is indent to the left. Do not. I will erase that one. Part 1. This is reading test. And then 10 points. Okay, as you can see here, okay, so these are now your passage and the instructions. Now I'm going to insert now the questions. The questions from those. Okay, so this is now my question. Teenagers blank. Okay, so this is the first question. And then drag down. And then B. Okay, good. Okay, that's the question. And then this is my code here. As you can see, then enter. So try to look here first. So I have here teenagers blank. So number one, MC, change that to MCS if you want that into a multiple choice horizontal choices. So next is the number two. So blank, Control C again, then copy. Then we have here Control C, copy. So let's try to look. Okay, so this is now my question. The question is not yet copied. So go back here and then copy and then put the question. Okay, sorry, it may look like a stressful to you and it takes time, but again, patience is a virtue. Okay, click MC. Yes. Okay, so this is now your passage. So let's try to look the code. Okay. Okay. So teenagers, like for example, okay, ignore, no, ignore. Okay. So if you want to have like a multiple choice array, see, I forgot the code. MCH, sorry, that is MCH. So go here, H and then H. The same code, the same format, okay, and okay. So and save changes. Okay, so this is the passage now and the questions. You can write also letter A, B, and C. A, B, and C, for example, right here A, B, C. So this is now your A. Let's write A. This is B. It's up to you if it's big or small letters. And C. Okay, save changes. And then, sorry. Go there and then preview. Preview. Okay. So these are now the result of your passage, and so you can put all your questions in a one page question, right? So I hope you understand because it takes a while to code this, and I believe this is our first time, so I understand, and I hope my tutorial is very clear.